Hello young students. In this video, we're about to embark on an exciting journey into the world of respiration, a process that's essential for all living things. Respiration is what helps us and all other organisms get the energy we need to function and thrive. So, let's explore how it all works. First, let's talk about the two main types of respiration, external and internal respiration. External respiration is what we commonly refer to as breathing. It's the process of taking in oxygen from the air around us and releasing carbon dioxide back into the environment. This exchange of gases happens in tiny, balloon-like structures in our lungs called alveoli. When we breathe in, oxygen fills our lungs, and when we breathe out, we get rid of carbon dioxide, a waste product our bodies don't need. Now, internal respiration, which is also known as cellular respiration, happens inside our body's cells. Think of it as the cell's very own breathing process. During internal respiration, cells break down a type of sugar called glucose to produce energy, carbon dioxide, and water. This energy is crucial because it powers everything our cells do, from growing and repairing to carrying out daily functions. Internal respiration can further be divided into two categories: aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration is the kind that takes place when oxygen is available. This happens inside structures in our cells called mitochondria, where glucose and oxygen are used to create energy, along with carbon dioxide and water as byproducts. Aerobic respiration is the most efficient way to produce energy in numerous organisms. On the other hand, anaerobic respiration occurs when there's no oxygen. In this type of respiration, glucose is only partially broken down, and the products vary depending on the organism. For instance, in yeast, anaerobic respiration produces carbon dioxide and alcohol, a process used in baking and brewing. In humans, during intense exercise when oxygen levels are low, anaerobic respiration leads to the production of lactic acid, which can cause that familiar burning sensation in our muscles. But respiration isn't just for humans and animals, plants breathe too. Plants take in oxygen and release carbon dioxide, just like us. They do this through tiny openings on their leaves called stomata, which are controlled by guard cells that regulate the movement of gases. Plants also have structures called lenticels on their stems, which help with gas exchange, and their roots absorb oxygen from the air in the soil to aid in respiration. Different animals have different ways of breathing based on their environment and needs. For example, simple organisms like yeast and bacteria can breathe without oxygen, using anaerobic respiration. Creatures like hydra and earthworms use their moist body surfaces for gas exchange, a process known as cutaneous respiration. Insects have spiracles, small openings on their bodies, that connect to a network of tubes called tracheae, allowing air to enter and diffuse directly into their cells. Aquatic animals, like fish, use gills to extract oxygen from water, while reptiles, birds, and mammals, including humans, use lungs located in their chest cavities to breathe efficiently. Speaking of humans, our respiratory system is a complex and fascinating system. It includes several parts such as the nostrils, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi, and lungs, all working together to bring oxygen into our bodies and expel carbon dioxide. Our lungs are protected by the rib cage, and the diaphragm, a muscle located just below the lungs, plays a key role in breathing by contracting and relaxing to help pull air in and push it out. It's important to understand that respiration and breathing, while closely related, are not the same. Respiration is the biochemical process that happens inside our cells to produce energy, whereas breathing is the physical act of inhaling and exhaling air. When we breathe in, or inhale, the muscles between our ribs contract, causing the rib cage to expand and the diaphragm to move downward. This creates more space in our chest, allowing air to flow into our lungs. When we breathe out, or exhale, the muscles relax, the rib cage compresses, and the diaphragm rises back up, pushing air out of our lungs. This continuous process of inhaling and exhaling is what keeps our bodies supplied with oxygen and clears out carbon dioxide. So, as you can see, respiration is a vital process that keeps all living things energized and active. Without it, our cells wouldn't be able to perform their essential functions. Here's a question for you to think about. What are some of the parts of plants that help in oxygen absorption? Please share your answer in the comments below. The complete curriculum for Class 7 is available on our channel. Check out all the links provided in the description below. Please make sure to like, share, and comment for more such videos.